Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to install WooCommerce on a subdomain in Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account, then go to the website's page. Now, in order to install in order to install WooCommerce on a subdomain on Bluehost, first we need to install WordPress. So to do this, click on Add Website button, select Install WordPress, then click on Continue. Here, give your WordPress website a name, for example, my shop, then click on Continue. Here, fill in the subdomain that you want to install WooCommerce on. Since my website is or my domain name is benstutorial.com, I will go with shop at benstutorial.com. Now click on continue. They are now installing WordPress site for me. Now WordPress is installed on my selected subdomain, and this site is using temporary URL until my domain or my subdomain is pointed at Bluehost. If this is a new domain name, it may take a few hours to finish setting up. Here, this domain just bentutorial.com is already pointing to Bluehost using Bluehost name servers. So this subdomain, I think, will automatically have my new WordPress site. Let's give it a visit. As you see, the SSL certificate is not installed yet. I know it because I have this error with certification. Now let's keep refreshing this, and now the first step is to force this to avoid or to fix this HTTPS error, certification error. So to force this installation, let's close this, go back to the hosting page, click on this cPanel button, a new page opens up. Now scroll down to security and click on SSL TLS. Now below install and manage SSL for your site, click on manage SSL sites. Now scroll down to domain and select your subdomain from this list. This is mine, shop.benstutorial.com. Select it from the list and click on this autofill by domain. If nothing is added to this certificate CRT field, just go back to the cPanel page, and instead of SSL TLS, click on SSL TLS status and look for your subdomain. This is it, shop.benstutorial.com. As you see, it still does not have the HTTPS enabled. So to force or not to force, just to manually run the auto SSL verification, click on this run auto SSL. As the auto SSL is still in progress, let's give my website a visit. Let's open it in a new tab. I think my site still has the SSL certification error. And now the shop or the auto SSL domain validated. Let's give my website another visit. And now once my subdomain has this green lock icon, you can go back to the cPanel and instead of status, click again on just SSL TLS. Click on manage SSL sites, scroll down to below install an SSL website, select your subdomain again, click on autofill by domain, and now that's a little bit of this text code is added here. Scroll down to install certificate. Now this SSL certificate was already installed. This means that the system already installed this SSL certificate for me. Let's give it another try. And now my website started being, or the HTTPS is enabled for my subdomain. Also, the WordPress is installed on this subdomain. So now I need to log in to the dashboard of this new WordPress website. To do this, simply go back to the WordPress, to the Bluehost account, go to the websites page, and next to my new subdomain, your new subdomain or WordPress site is always the first on the top after being installed. Click on this WordPress admin button to directly log into your WordPress dashboard. But before this, they will ask you a few questions to customize your website. Personally, I don't like this Bluehost onboarding process, so to skip it, simply look for your website's domain here or subdomain. After it, you will see wp-admin. Anything after wp-admin, select it like that, and then hit delete. After that, click on enter, and you will log in to your WordPress dashboard, skipping the onboarding process. Now, as you see, the coming soon page is still enabled. To launch my website, simply click on the or below site preview, click on this launch site button. And now my WordPress website is live. Let's give it a visit, or let's refresh. And now my WordPress is successfully installed on my subdomain. Now let's see how to install WooCommerce on this subdomain in Bluehost. Simply go back to your WordPress dashboard, then go to plugins and click on add plugin. Here search for the WooCommerce plugin, write in WooCommerce, click on enter, and this is WooCommerce by Automatic, the official company. Click on install now and wait a moment. Click on activate. Congrats, your store is live. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Congrats, your store is live. And these are the first steps that WooCommerce recommend you to go with, which is build your store, click on customize store, then add your first product, then set up payments. And after installing WooCommerce, a new WooCommerce menu will be added to this left side menu on WordPress. You have WooCommerce products in order to add a new product to your online store, payments to enable new payment providers like PayPal or credit cards, also the analytics to check the sales and refunds. From the marketing, I think you can connect Google for WooCommerce to easily promote your WooCommerce online store. And now let's give your store a visit. Just hover over your site title here and select visit store. And this is your online store on this subdomain /shop. If you want to delete or start accessing your shop directly on your subdomain, just your subdomain and not on a folder inside or after your subdomain, simply go back to the WordPress dashboard and scroll down to settings and click on reading, and your homepage displays your latest posts. Here select a static page and select shop. Then click on save changes. And now let's give your site a visit, and your site will be the same as your shop. And this is how to install WooCommerce on a subdomain in Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.